The art of woodworking. Free download, link in description.
The Makita 9031 belt sander has proven to be a versatile and reliable tool for a variety of applications. Its compact design and features make it particularly suitable for detail work, making it an excellent choice for woodworkers, artists, glazers, welders, pre-finished cabinet installers, and finish carpenters. One of the standout features of the 9031 is its versatility in working with wood, metal, and fiberglass materials. This makes it a go-to tool for professionals working in different industries. The narrow belt and exposed front pulley further enhance its usability, allowing for use in close quarters and on irregular shapes. The variable speed control dial is a valuable feature, allowing users to match the speed, 656 to 3,280 feet per minute, to the specific application. This level of control is essential for achieving optimal results, especially in fine carpentry and furniture making. The lock-on button for continuous operation adds convenience during prolonged use. Powered by a 5-amp motor with electronic speed control, the 9031 ensures constant speed under load. The ball-bearing construction contributes to the tool's longevity, providing durability for extended use. The multi-position side handle is designed for comfortable operation, and its compact and lightweight design, 4.6 pounds, makes it suitable for sanding in confined areas. Connectivity to a dust collector is a notable feature for maintaining a cleaner work environment, emphasizing Makita's commitment to user convenience. The inclusion of abrasive belts in the package adds value to the purchase. Makita's reputation for precision, accuracy, capacity, and innovation in power tools is well reflected in the 9031 belt sander. The company's commitment to best-in-class engineering is evident in the design and functionality of this tool. Customers have praised the 9031 for its controllability, power, and suitability for various projects, ranging from adjusting cabinet lips to working on boats. While the instructions may not be in English, users find the operation to be straightforward. The tool's reliability is further emphasized by Makita's warranty, offering a replacement or refund within 30 days of purchase and a 1-year warranty against defects in workmanship and materials. In conclusion, the Makita 9031 belt sander stands out as a powerful, versatile, and well-designed tool, meeting the needs of professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. While it may come at a higher price point, its performance and durability make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking quality results and efficiency in their projects.